A Houston-based DNA company helps with some big developments in the notorious Killingfields murders. Lake City police say they have finally identified the last two women who were buried in an oil field more than 30 years ago. Our Matt Doherty is following the story live from where the bodies were found. Matt?
As you approach this small wooded clearing, you'll see 4 crosses marking the spots where the bodies were found. Each cross bears a silver plate, 2 of them engraved with names. The other 2 are blank.
I've been out here hundreds of times and cried gallons of tears.
Tim Miller's 16-year-old daughter Laura's body was found here more than 30 years ago.
I was obsessed with this place, obsessed.
Not far from Laura, the body of 23-year-old Heidi Villarreal Fry was discovered. The other 2 have remained nameless until now.
New DNA analysis called phenotyping predicted how each looked at the time of their death, complete with skin, eye, hair color, and freckles.
Back in December, we showed you how the company Snapshot DNA Phenotyping was able to compose very specific images of the women whose bodies were found so many years ago. Lake City Police requested the public's help identifying the composites. Tonight, the Houston-based company Family Tree DNA says it's cracked the cold case through its customers, who selected to upload their own DNA samples to the family database.
I actually knew one of the girls. I met one of the girls back in 1988.
Tim Miller has been told the names of the victims, but their identities won't be publicly released until Monday. Their possible connection to each other and or the other bodies found here, we still don't know. The person or persons who may have taken these lives and left them here is still very much a mystery. Again, on Monday is when we learn the names of those 2 victims. Then on Wednesday of next week, the church who actually owns the property that these bodies were found on will be holding a vigil in honor of all the dead women and girls found out here off I-45. Back to you.
As difficult as it is, possibly closure, finally. Thank you, Matt.